son is up. Mas may kasalanan talaga siya sa akin. Kasalanan niya sa
Let's start 40 seconds. I want to see
down on my waist and yeah, for so hi guys, good afternoon. What time is it? 4:53. So magluluto muna tayo ng dinner and then we'll take a bath and then we're gonna start working again for our night shift. Yes, 2-year shift ko in the morning and so now I'm finished with my rice and I'm also cooking shrimp soup. Alam nyo ba, yan yung pusang nag-scratch akin. Tapos may kasalanan talaga siya sa akin. Kasalanan niya sa akin eh. Kinain ba naman yung ulam namin kahapon? Nagtago na siya. Siguro nahihiya siya. Guys, good morning. Today is March 3. Yes, it's March 3 of 2026 and I think this will be my intro for this week's vlog. This week's vlog, pero baka mag-turn na naman to this month's vlog. So yeah, so currently I'm editing a video or like our February wrap up of what things did I do in the past or like in the month of like February and what else. Today, wala naman tayo masyadong gagawin pero yun nga, mag-edit ng video and also mag-work. So right now, it's currently 5:30 in the morning. Supposedly, I should start my work at 5 a.m. but then I woke up 5:10 a.m. And then, hindi na ako umabot na i-open yung slot ko ng 5:30. So, I just made breakfast. So, my breakfast today is a light breakfast. Today is rolled oats, and then I put Milo in it, and also a little bit of like sweet milk. So, yeah. So, ano gagawin natin? Siyempre, kakainin 'to. Ano pa ba? So, yun lang for now, and mag-e-exercise tayo today. Yes, I want to release all of like the heat inside my body, and then because recently I haven't been sweating a lot, so and it's kind of cold here in the place where I am. So, it's not really good. I feel, look at it. So I'm watching vlogs. So, well, these vloggers, I followed them recently, and some of them I followed them since a very long time ago. So, right now, ano ba? Yeah. So, ang gagawin ko is maybe pag walang students na papasok pa din or pumapasok, so maybe I will just turn into like making productive things such as editing the video, of course, because like I want to upload it this week, and I think I'm already like 80% finished. And yeah, I'm excited to share it all to you. And currently now, I'm recording another video, and this video will be part of like this week's vlog, because like I'm trying to target at least 4 vlogs in a month, which is like weekly vlogs. So I wanted to show you guys what life is here in the province, because like currently wala akong events for this month, but I will take, or like I will get my final shot of like my anti-rabies vaccination, and yeah. So I'm so happy with that. That will be on like March 20 noon, and yeah, I'll try to finish the vlog so that I can upload it today or tomorrow. Let's see. So yeah, yun muna update guys, and then see you again. So hi again everyone. Let's have lunch. So I'm having this. Okay, this is what I made for lunch. Just a vegetables with eggs, and then also dried fish. I miss this a lot. So I'm having, I think this is just 1 cup of rice, but not this big. Okay, it's just leftover rice because I also cook rice already for lunch until for our dinner. So, ba't ako nag-i-English? Yeah. So currently I'm having lunch right now, and then I'll go back to do my task, which is to edit. So yeah. So good morning guys. Not good morning, pero good afternoon. So currently I'm doing a workout as I promised to myself. Kasi nga hindi na tayo pinapawisan, pero hindi nga ako makapag-record kasi yung video ko is nasa phone. So my phone is also like working with the video that I'm following. Pero yun, so I decided to change the device right now. So I'm setting up my YT channel from my laptop. And yes, wait for a moment. I'm gonna switch up.
Here we stand, marching on into the packing through. I am so. Come on, let's work. Pretty high, and I've got a little treat for you. We can stay with it. Desire, drive. Great job, Angie. Great.
Yes. So right now, I'm done with the 30-minute low impact workout. So yeah, yes. May pawis siya. So yeah, thank you Lord. Yes, so right. Whew, that's quite intense. So yeah, it's like only 5-minute workout. That's kind of intense, and it works out all of like your body muscles. So I prefer that often if I need to have like a really quick workout. And yeah, hopefully I can. So hi everyone, good morning. Today is March 4, 2026, and today, so I woke up 4:30. Yeah, but I stayed in bed for a little longer, just a little longer, like 5 minutes. And then I went down. I drank a sip of like my regular warm apple cider mixture. Yeah, to what I call this, to set up my whole tummy for the whole day, like that. And then look at my setup. Here's my setup again. It's morning, and I just made uh tea. Like it's a green tea. It's imported. It's imported from Japan. So a friend of mine gave this to me, and yeah, I'm drinking. So yeah, good afternoon again. Good afternoon. Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay. Anyway, so yeah. I helped my mom to roll out all of like the floor matting because like she didn't want to have a bare floor because as of right now, like as I always told in my previous videos, natulog ako kasi feeling ko sobrang puwet ko. So right now, I'm gonna, what they call this, do a skincare. So yeah, this is like a face mask. So we need to take care of our skin. So wala nga ako ng lotion na moisturize talaga eh. Nakakapag-hydrate ng skin kasi feeling ko yung skin ko super dry. That's why I'm kinda having this like mga itch na yan. A lot of like videos making like rice mask. So they boil their rice and then they blend it and then they put it on their faces. So right now I'm gonna stick it on my face for a while. So hi again everyone. So yeah, nagulat ako kasi may tumatao po, like may tumatawag sa labas. And then yes, my mother attended like a birthday party. So gino-joke ko kanina siya na ito, kuha mo lang ako ng food. Tapos pina-deliver pa talaga dito. So, my gosh, nakakahiya. Pero yeah, thank you Lord kasi may pagkain. So, hindi na ako magko-cook for dinner kasi ang dami nito. My God. Here. So, naka-plastic pa. Pakita ko sa'yo. Naka-plastic pa kasi tinanggal ko dun sa plate niya kasi para madala na yung plate. Tapos yan, iba-iba yan. May pichi-pichi, may puto, may parang kaning baboy lang, Pero may kasi ano, ayan. Tapos may maliit na cake. Oh, wow, graham ata yun. Tapos may ano, my gosh, kakanin ang dami. At saka may pansit, at saka may suman. Hala! All of them. I think I love it. Oh. So,
Precious Paula Nicole delivered one of the night's most unsettling and personal looks. She opted for the Chanak, a vampiric creature in Philippine mythology.
so yeah, hello again guys. So right now it's 8:30 in the evening. So I'm just gonna have coffee para CR tayo, and then I'm going to eat my leftover kakanin kanina.